Everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offline on Google Meet. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll search about Google Meet and we click. Here we go to first stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage. After that we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to start your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank